Mustang that I'm wrapping. Brand new, I think it's 2018 or 2017, 5.0. Looks like there's a turbo in there. I'm not sure if these come turbo, but there is a turbo in there by exhaust manifold on the left side. So that's kind of cool. I didn't know that this one has turbos. This is the wrap color and the wrap job that the customer wanted, and pretty interesting. This is 3M. You can see the corners are good. Well, I just gotta cut this little tab off, but there's no pullback on. There's not much pullback on this material, so it's looking good there. I'm gonna do the whole car in this color, including the roof and the hood. I probably prefer with this kind of print to do the roof and the hood in black. The roof in black gloss and the hood in carbon fiber, but she wants the whole thing in it. So we'll take a look at the whole car once it's done. I really like this paint though. It's very it's got that metallic gray charcoal to it, so it's very nice.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready.
Alright Jay, here it is. And here's the door handle. This piece obviously pops out, and that's fine.
Blow up.
So for this bumper, took the tail lights off. It's pretty easy. 2 bolts right there from the back and 1 over here, and it slides right out. I'm gonna do it all in one piece. There's a diffuser part down here. I think I'm gonna leave the diffuser black because it just looks better with a black diffuser rather than the whole thing being wrapped. This part right here, I'm doing an inlay, and then I'll cut the flap and I'll lay the piece, and then it should just flop over, and you can lay it right there. Lifeless tape, the inlay.
It was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
So I just have the roof, the hood, and the front bumper that needs to be done. Here's the car. The wrap's pretty interesting. I think I'm gonna do the spoiler lip thing in a different color. Alright, let's go and have a look at what's inside. Okay, so here's the side of the car. You guys saw it in the time lapse. The front, what I'm gonna do in the front is do inlays. So inlay here and inlay all along the bottom, and then I will lay the front bumper on over top, and then it should lay right over this line, so it'll look good. Alright, so here's a little extra. So on this one, I've already knifelessed it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut along this edge here. Okay, it's already nice and tucked in. Holographic accent, spice things up. I know it's already pretty loud, but you know what? You can't get louder, right? Loud's always good. See, the knifeless gives you that clean cut. There you go. Alright, here it is. It's all done. Quick walk around. That's kind of nice, the letters on the tires. I put a holographic wrap on the mirrors. There is the same print mirror wrap under that, so if the customer chooses, she could remove that holographic wrap. The Mustang badge has been blacked out with holographic. Okay, let's go on the side. All looks good. Oh, look at the sun comes out. So the holographic spoiler lip, you can see the transition here of the colors, so that would look nice. there is black holographic or the same print wrap under that, so that can be peeled off if she wants to. Alright guys, so if you guys like this video and like seeing how this whole car got modded out within a week, go ahead and leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.